Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to learn how you can deal with customer advances in QuickBooks Desktop. So if this is the first video you're watching on our channel, then hit the like button. Also, if you want to follow the complete training, you can check out the complete course link in the description. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. Our next entry is of 12 January 2018, and the entry is receive cash in advance from Abu Bakr. Now here we are receiving an advance amount from a customer. Now there is a point here. Why we will receive advance payment from the customer? Obviously it will be against an order. So if you can see the next transaction, that Abu Bakr is giving us an sale order number 55, and he wants us to deliver these products. Corolla windscreen worth 1,80,000, 4,70,000 headlights, and 2,000 rupees filters. So this is total 6,52,000, against which he has given us nearly half of amount as an advance. So the advance we are keeping with ourselves is a liability for us. It should be treated as a liability. Means in future we either need to deliver the goods or return back this amount. So how we will book this advance payments? There are 3 steps involved. Now this is the most complex entry of QuickBooks, so just bear with me. We will go step by step. The first step is go to chart of accounts and create a new account of customer advances. Go here, new, or you can also use the short key that is also mentioned here, Control N. So if we don't want to go here and click new, you can also do Control N. Okay, then customer advances. Now customer advances is a liability for us, and it is a short term liability, so other current liability is a suitable type. Retainers from customer, see, continue, and customer advances the name, save and close. No need to enter opening balances. After that, items and services. Now we will create a new item, and item will be service item. Similarly mentioned here, customer advances service, and the unit is each. This is a technique that we will use to make a correct entry indirectly, because there is no direct option in QuickBooks to book customer advances properly. So we have to use the other way around. That's why we are booking customer advances as a service, and I'll link that account, customer advances, here, and okay. Now first step was creating chart of accounts. Second is linking a service item to that customer advances account. Now we will book a sale receipt. Now this is not actually a sale receipt, but since there is no direct option to deal with this kind of scenarios, I'll use this area as an alternative. So we received advance from Abu Bakr. So we'll select Abu Bakr here, and in the service I'll say I'm offering customer advances. I'm actually taking customer advances, and 3,78,000, and I'm receiving cash against it. Save and new. Now in any situation where there is no direct treatment available, you have to consider the back-end journal entry should be correct. This should be your main concern. No matter whatever document you are using, the back-end journal entry should be as it's supposed to be. Like if we are receiving cash from customer as an advance, cash should be debit and customer advances should be credit as a liability. Now let's check it. Go to previous, go to reports, and check the transaction journal. Now you can see cash is debit and customer advances is credit. This is how you can deal with customer advances in QuickBooks.